Hello everybody, Lurks here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to link your iPhone or iPad to your stereo system on your Volkswagen T5.1, and you can do this wirelessly via Bluetooth. Now the first thing to try is go to your stereo, and on some of the more modern stereos it's actually got Bluetooth audio enabled in the stereo. So go to menu, click on setup, and you've got this option called BT audio. Now you can turn that on or off. If you turn that on and then take your iPhone, search for Bluetooth devices, see if you can actually connect to it that way. But on this particular model it only allows you to connect your phone to make telephone calls, not for playing any audio. So it's definitely worth trying that function first. But what we're going to be doing now is connecting a wireless Bluetooth device. We'll get that all sorted, and then at the end we'll have a lovely cup of tea. What you need is any Bluetooth device that can output to a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now I've just got this one here, which I got off a well-known auction website, and it was as cheap as chips. This comes with the headphone jack on it. So what I'm going to do first is quickly charge it up. Let's just speed this footage up. This is half an hour later, fully charged. Now let's go into the van. Climb aboard, sir. And we're inside the beast here. And if you open the passenger glove box, you'll notice inside here you've got an auxiliary in, and this is a 3.5mm headphone jack. If you turn on your stereo, select the media button, and you want to select auxiliary. And that is the auxiliary input in the passenger glove box. Take your Bluetooth device with a 3.5mm headphone jack, plug it into this socket, on this particular Bluetooth device you just hold this button in to activate it. So I'm just going to switch it on, and it should tell me through the speakers.
Power on. Pairing.
There we go. Now take your iPhone or iPad, go into the settings, turn on the Bluetooth. Now it can still be in airplane mode, it doesn't make any difference. Turn on the Bluetooth, then you'll see a list of all the devices available. Now I know that the top device here is the Bluetooth device.
Connected.
Once you've connected to it once, it'll automatically reconnect if the device is on. Now we can go into our music app and start playing some music. Fantastic, that is now coming out of the speakers in your van. So if you can put your iPhone up on the dashboard in a holder, that means you've got access to all your music on your iPhone or your iPad. Then you can just go off for a lovely drive and listen to your favourite tunes. Absolutely superb. You can link your iPhone or iPad directly to that auxiliary input using a 3.5mm cable, but obviously on the modern iPhones you don't get a headphone output jack, so then you have to buy an adapter and plug it into the adapter, and then you've got a great big long wire. So obviously the wireless solution is the best option. You can also try the FM transmitter devices, but if you're lucky enough to have a modern Volkswagen, hopefully it's got Apple Carplay on it, and you do not need this video. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.